So I recently installed a dash cam and quickly found that the power cable wasn't long enough to reach my cigarette lighter power outlet. And in this short video, I'll show you how to easily extend a dash cam cable to help you work around this problem. Here in this Volkswagen GTI, I ran the dash cam cable along the headliner and then down the window post. Then it runs under my floor mat up to the power port in the center console. This works just fine, but the cable is too short to run to the storage box where I really want to plug my dash cam into. Right now, it barely reaches the outlet where I currently have it plugged into. So I got this multi-port power splitter. This device adds more power sockets in addition to extra USB charging ports. To install it, simply just plug it in. The power plug comes with a 1 meter cable and includes 2 fast charging USB ports. So I'll unplug my dash cam and put this to use. Here you can see my dash cam easily plugs right into it. And for me, hiding this under the passenger seat is the best spot to keep it out of the way. But you can also Velcro it to your dashboard if you want better access to the power and USB ports. With this, I have more than enough slack to reach the cigarette lighter port located in the center storage console. This helps keep the plug hidden and out of the way. Which also means I can have a cleaner look in my center console without a power cable hanging out of it. This multi-port power splitter works great for extending a dash cam cable and adds the ability to power more devices inside your car. I'm really happy with it because I didn't like seeing the cable next to my shifter, and I'll list this in the description so it's easy for you to find. And here are some final notes. There are 4 USB ports on the front panel, including one that's a fast charger. And the bottom has a 15 amp fuse to protect your devices. Finally, you can turn on or off each cigarette lighter port with the power buttons up on top. If this video was helpful, please give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to stay up to date on all my weekly videos.